Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add multiple photos on Instagram post. To start, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. If you are not already logged in, make sure to sign in with your username and password, or if you are new to Instagram, you will need to create an account first. Once you are inside, look toward the bottom center of your screen. You will see a plus icon. This is your gateway to creating new posts. Then, go ahead and tap on it. From here, you will have the option to add photos and videos. If you want to create a carousel, which means sharing more than one photo in a single post, simply select multiple photos. There is also another way to get to the posting feature. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. At the very top of your profile page, you will notice another plus icon. When you tap on that, it will give you the option to create a new post. Now, once you are in the post creation screen, you will want to tap the multiple selection icon. It looks like two overlapping squares. This will allow you to choose several photos from your gallery instead of just one. Go through your camera roll and tap on each photo you want to include. You can add up to 10 photos in a single post, and Instagram will arrange them in the order you select. After you have chosen your photos, you will see the option to apply filters. You can swipe through and either add the same filter to all your pictures or customize each one individually. Adjust brightness, contrast, and other settings until your photos look exactly how you want. Once you are happy, tap Next. This is where you can write a caption to describe your post. You can also tag friends, add a location, and even share it to other linked accounts like Facebook. Finally, when everything looks perfect, hit the share button. And just like that, you have created a post with multiple photos on Instagram, giving your followers a full carousel to swipe through. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you got some value. See you in the next one.